Inhlangano lengamele tetempilo emhlabeni jikelele imemetele ukuthi iGibhithe, Kenya, Nigeria, Senegal, Tunisia kanye nalelive leNingizimu Afrika ngiyolotwa hambela embili ukuthi akhone kwenda Emave kulelive kade lase-Afrika ukuthi akhone kutimela uma kubuyela udzabeni lwetempilo. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa bekakhona eBrussels ngesikhathi sikhulu esisetulu kunhlangano lengamele tetempilo emhlabeni Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus endale simemetelo.
In June last year, we announced our decision to establish the hub in South Africa as a partnership between WHO, Afrigen Biologics, the Biologicals and Vaccines Institute of South Africa, or BioVac, the South African Medical Research Council.
We are really delighted to be part of this announcement this morning, to in many ways share our experience as the first WHO MRNA hub in Africa. The WHO has listened to what we have been saying, listened to our collective call to establish COVID-19 manufacturing sites in low and middle income countries in the midst of a vaccine inequality that we've always been talking about.